Right now, someone in your industry is running Facebook ads that's generating leads, clicks, and sales. But the question is, can you find it before your competitors do? With Power Ad Spy, you can uncover winning creatives, analyze successful campaigns, and spot opportunity in minutes. Welcome to the Power Ad Spy. Our dashboard gives you access to the world's largest database of social media ads across all platforms. Today, we are focusing on Facebook, the gold mine for high converting traffic. Finding your niche leaders is as simple as typing a name on the advertiser search op. Let's look at Manscaped. Within seconds, Power Ad Spy pulls every active creative they have. No more guessing what their copy looks like or what videos they're testing. It's all right here in one view. This is where you get the unfair advantage. By clicking Analytics, you unlock the cheat sheet for any ad. You can see the first seen and last seen dates. But more importantly, look at the target audience. Power Ad Spy reveals the exact interest and behavior they are targeting, from beauty and personal care to specific mobile device users. You can literally copy their targeting strategy to jumpstart your own campaign. Is the ad actually working? Don't guess, look at the data. Our social engagement graphs show you the real-time growth of likes and comments. Below that, our demographics breakdown shows you the exact age, gender, and relationship status of the people engaging most. You even get a country reach map showing you exactly which global markets are being dominated. Want to find the $1 million ad? First search for a brand and head to the engagement filters. Here you have total control. You can filter by likes, comments, and shares to find the most engaging content. But to see what's truly scaling, let's slide and filter through impressions. By moving this slider to a higher range, we'll filter out a small test and reveal only home run. Look at these results. These are the ads with massive impression and proven social proof. By filtering this way, you can identify the exact creatives that are successfully scaling right now. The model your next campaign after a guaranteed winner. Now, if you want to search ads based on specific categories, you can scroll through various industries here and find ads from a specific industry. Need to see how they convert? Filter by call to action to see only ads that are driving direct leads or sales. You can even spy on their tech stack, filter by e-commerce platforms like Shopify or funnel builders for ClickFunnels to see the full journey they are taking their customers on. For the pro marketers, Power Ad Spy offers precision sorting. Toggle between image and video ads to see which medium is trending. Then sort by ad running days. If an ad has been running for days, it's not just a good ad, it's a profitable one. Power Ad Spy lets you find those long-term winners in a single click. Let's explore another powerful filter. The language filter helps you discover ads created for specific language audience. For example, let's select French. Instantly, Power Ad Spy narrows the result and display the ads running in French, making it easier to research campaigns tailored to that market and audience. Want to understand exactly who brands are targeting? With Power Ad Spy's age and gender filters, you can narrow your research to ads aimed at specific demographics. Whether you are researching campaigns for young adults, professionals, or a particular gender segment, these filters help you uncover the creatives designed for that audience. Looking for ads directly from the Meta Ads library? Simply enable the Meta Ads library toggle. Power Ad Spy will display ads sourced from the Meta Ads library, giving you even more opportunity to discover active campaigns and analyze competitor strategy. Running campaigns in a specific market? Use country filter to focus your research on a particular region. For example, let's select the United States. Power Ad Spy instantly display ads targeting that market, helping you understand local advertising trends, messaging styles, and audience preferences. For deeper insights, open Analytics to explore additional campaign details and targeting information. Not every campaign is designed for the same device. With the traffic source filter, you can identify ads based on where their traffic originates. Let's select desktop. Now you can quickly find campaigns optimized for desktop users and analyze how advertisers tailor their creatives for different devices and user experiences. Want to discover successful affiliate campaigns? The Affiliate Network filter lets you search ads running across popular affiliate platforms. For example, let's select ClickBank. Within seconds, Power Ads Spy reveals ads associated with that network, making it easier to study high-performing affiliate offers, creatives, and promotional strategies. Power Ads Spy takes the mystery out of Facebook advertising. Stop flying blind and start using the data your competitors are already using to win. Sign up for Power Ads Spy today and find your next winning campaigns in minutes. Thank you for watching.